Hi friends, I'm Anurag Saxena on my first video on my new YouTube channel. Going very fast, I am just to summarize that this channel is all about learning and make you understand the code in easier way. Not only code and other technical stuff in machine learning or maybe any technology of computer. I'll make multiple videos and upload it. So let's start with today small session of Python code where I am using these image, and these images are very big images, and if you see I am just trying to capture those images and then and writing those images by resizing those images in a smaller dimension, wherein you can also use your own dimension. So let's quickly start with the Jupyter notebook here. I have already written the code, and you can also I'll just go line by line and you can understand that. So this CV2 is kind of a computer vision. You can install it by pip install open CV2 Python by command line, and then import it on your Jupyter. And the second line, what it's doing is we are taking an object img and capturing that image by and storing that image in this img object. So I would say we are using cv2 function and the method imread and reading this image, and you have to give the full path with the extension, that is what kind of extension it is, jpg or whatever it is, and we are using 0 here. This 0 depicts actually it is a grayscale image like black and white, or it is colored means 1 and 0 means black and white. So the third and fourth these three lines are just not mandatory. I'm just trying to make you understand what exactly is happening in the back end in the computer. So if I print this img object, you will see this two-dimensional array will come up. So these images, all the images and videos and everything are understood by computer and stored in computer in a dimensional array, and further 0 and 1s, right? So a dimensional array, if you see this image is having a two-dimensional array. I have printed this image in a dimensional array, and also shown by using shape method what kind of how many rows and columns are there. So there are 742 rows and 990 columns in this two-dimensional array. And now the third line, which says image.ndim, it shows which kind of dimension it is. N dimension, like it is a 2D dimension array, or 3D or 1D. So it's two-dimensional array. However, this three-line code is not necessary. Now coming to the resizing of the image, you see that I have taken another object, resize image, and storing the image in a smaller size by using the function and method, and passing the image in which object I have captured the image by passing that object here, and also resizing it in the length and width. You can put it 1000 or whatever numbers you want, and you will see the image in that particular format and size. So the third line, this line below it is cv2 dot show imshow. So this shows that image onto your screen after you resize it. You can mention the name of that image by imshow, so that you can see the image directly instead of opening it from the browser, and pass this object in that. And whenever you open this particular image, you have to close it also. So instead of coming to imwrite, I'm directly going to the third line here down below, wherein it says that we have to wait for 0. It's not 0 seconds, it's kind of a key press on your computer. You can put 200, then it will above 100, above 0 it will show in milliseconds, and if you put it 0, it will ask for your key to be pressed from your keyboard, and that image will be killed. Okay, so we are waiting for 0, that is a key press, and then destroying that image by writing this code. So this is very necessary when you open an image and show that image on your computer. To kill that, you have to use these two line of code for wait and destroying. Now coming back to this write code, so I'm just showing that I'm not writing that. So for writing, I am using this method I am write, and also changing the name of that image and resize image. So now what is happening, if I run this code, you see on the left hand side top, this is an image which comes up in a smaller size. However, this image is a bigger image. If I show you this image in a size, what exactly it is this big size, but it's showing up in a smaller size to you. It's showing up in a very smaller size to you because I have re-imaged it. So it's only one image we are using and then re-imaging it, but we can also use bulk images by just doing the same thing, but you have to download this library also, that is glob. So once you download this library glob, you can use glob.glob method and store the images. So this is the path I have given. So what glob do, it's find all those files which are having a specific format. This specific format here, it is JPG. So whatever in my folder, this particular location in folder I have, it will take all those JPG files, right? And now store that in this all image object. For image in all images, this is a for loop which we will use. So images in all images, like in this object, and then what we are doing, we are taking another object and storing by reading that particular image. If you see image, we are reading from here. We are using one by one every images in this image object, and then passing it as a gray object where black and white. I'm reading it and in this image 1. Okay, and then resizing it and then showing it, wait for my key press, destroying it, and then writing it by a particular resize format. So it's just a very simple code, but making you understand how it's going through and how it's storing things and in the computer. So hope you like this, and I will make more better videos and more elaborated videos about more knowledge on code and other stuff of computer. Thank you so much.